Hi everyone, when you're going to install hardwood vinyl or laminate flooring, you never know how uneven is your floor. You need tools which can help you to check your level and then to do some preparation things before you start flooring installation. In this video I will show you how work 4D laser level with bottom transmitter and how you can see all imperfection on your subfloor. If you see now line from laser exactly on the bottom plate, you see? So this is show us how much self-leveling compound you have to put. So compound should come exactly to the bottom plate. Links to these tripods and laser you can find in description for this video. Here is very good example living room in the house. I start doing leveling when I put laser and measure from the staircase. Opposite side was very low, and I set up tripods, make some preparation, and then put self-leveling compound. For me, very easy work with these tools because I don't have to worry about can I put more self-leveling compound or less. With this laser line I'm very easy find the highest spot and lowest spot and then set up tripods. Tripods showed me exactly how many self-leveling compound I have to put. When self-leveling compound attached to the bottom plate, you see on the bottom central bolt, so I have to stop and put self-leveling compound in other place. So then I use a roller. Roller help me make it more flat. This self-leveling compound, if you think like self-leveling compound can spread by themselves, no, need little help. And then we have to wait when it's dry. When whole self-leveling compound settle, you see very perfect level, and then we install over the floor. Very simple things. I not say it's easy, but everybody can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me, I will always answer you. Link to these tools you can find in description for this video. See you on next project.